Hello, it's Brian. Ever wondered how to generate $500 per week? If so, buckle up because you've landed in the right place. In this video, I'll unveil my top 2 strategies to earn $500 a week part-time. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll reveal something exceptionally exciting for those who stick around. Now, the first strategy that comes to mind is affiliate marketing. It's an excellent way to earn money online, regardless of your geographical location. The concept is simple. Promote products or services via your website or social media platforms. Each sale generated through your affiliate links will earn you a commission. It's crucial to choose the right affiliate programs, craft compelling content, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Remember, ethical and transparent practices are the backbone of successful affiliate marketing. Moving on to the second strategy, content creation and monetization. This entails creating engaging content such as YouTube videos, blogs, or podcasts. It's a flexible way to earn money online. The key here is to produce high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. You can monetize this content through various means, like ad revenue. Building an engaged community and connecting with your audience can significantly boost your income from your content. So, there you have it. 2 proven strategies to make $500 per week. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and share it with others who might benefit. And if you're eager to learn my #1 strategy to start funneling money back into your pocket rather than your boss's, click the link below. Thanks for sticking around. And remember, the journey to financial independence begins with a single step.